Hello and welcome to our new Coretec flooring showrooms here in Dublin, based in Oak Close, Western Business Park, Dublin 12. Mark Lynch is my name. I'm the account manager for Coretec flooring here in Ireland. I'm delighted to say that this year we celebrate our 10th year in business at Coretec Floors International, and we really look forward to the next decade here in Ireland, where we will continue to bring Coretec floors to many businesses and homes across the 32 counties of Ireland. In March of 2023, we partnered with a well-renowned flooring distributor known as Provincial Floor Coverings Limited. PFL recently celebrated 50 years in business, and with depots in Dublin, Limerick and Belfast, we are delighted to have PFL as our exclusive distributor for Coretec flooring here in Ireland. We currently hold a position in 75 retail stores across Ireland, and for any more information on the collections or the references that we stock in Ireland, or a retailer that is near you, please visit our website www.coretecfloors.com. I now look forward to bringing you through the advantages of having a Coretec floor in your home or business. Are you looking for a floor that's easy to install, has low maintenance, 100% waterproof and has reduced noise levels? Well, then you'll need to look no further than a Coretec floor. This is our XLN collection. This comes currently in 7 different colours. However, we will be adding 6 colours to this range in the next few months. This product is 15mm in thickness, and it also includes a 3mm of a cork backing, so no added underlay is needed. The product has a 0.8 of a wear layer for your scratch and stain resistance. It is 100% waterproof. It has a lifetime domestic warranty and a 10-year commercial warranty. Another advantage with a Coretec floor is it can be run 20 linear meters in one direction, 20 linear meters in another direction without a break. If you have a pet at home, it'll also have no impact on a Coretec floor. This product is also compatible with underfloor heating and cooling with a TOG rating of 1.1. For any more information on our XLN collection, please visit one of our Coretec dealers across Ireland. This is our Naturals collection that we stock here also in Ireland. This collection comes in 46 different colours, and 10 of the colours come in the herringbone design. This collection comes in a range of different sizes. We do planks in an 1800 size, 1500, 1200. We also have tiles that come in 2 different sizes, and our herringbone in this collection comes in 3 different sizes. This product is 8mm in thickness. For your stain and scratch resistance, it has a wear layer of 0.55, and it also has a 1.5mm of a cork backing, so that no added underlay is needed. The product is 100% waterproof. It has a lifetime domestic warranty and a 10-year commercial warranty. It can be ran 20 linear meters in one direction, 20 linear meters in another direction without a break. The product is also pet proof, so if you have a pet at home, it'll have no impact on the floor. It is also compatible with underfloor heating and cooling with a TOG rating of 0.66. For more information on our Naturals collection, please visit one of our 75 Coretec dealers around Ireland. This is our Coretec stone range that we also stock here in Ireland. This collection comes in a range of different colours, and it also comes in 3 different tile sizes: tile A, tile B and tile C. This product is 8mm in thickness with a 1.5mm of a cork backings for no added underlay. This product has a superior scratch resistance with a fiberglass on the front of the product for stain and scratch resistance. The product is 100% waterproof. It has a lifetime domestic warranty and a 10-year commercial warranty. It can also be run 20 linear meters in one direction, 20 linear meters in another direction without a break. With this floor, there's no adhesive, there's no grout needed. It is easy to install. For any more information on our Coretec stone range, please visit any of our 75 Coretec dealers around Ireland. This is our Coretec stairs range, which is part of our Naturals collection that we also stock here in Ireland. It comes in 5 different colours. It comes in the forest colour, the meadow colour, lumber, the acorn and the Matatorn. This product also has the cork underlay built into the product. It's 8mm in thickness. The product is 100% waterproof. It has a lifetime domestic warranty and a 10-year commercial warranty. With this product, you can also have an optional built-in LED lighting for each step. The product also has a box A and a box B. In box A, we do the treads that are 9/5/6 in length, and in box B, we do treads that are 15/30 in length. For any more information on our stairs range, please visit any of our 75 retail stores across Ireland. And for any more information on any of the collections that we stock here in Ireland, please visit our website, coretecfloors.com. Please remember, with Coretec flooring, it's a loose lay product, click together system that is 100% waterproof. And I can guarantee you, you will not be disappointed having a Coretec floor in your business or home.